everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing, and today Louis Vuitton released the second wave for the Spring in the City collection. So a week ago they released the first wave of it, and wow, I totally love the spring collection this year. The colors are amazing. So anyway, before I'm going to reveal what I've got, so today I went to the store. I was able to see up close and get to see all those beautiful eye candies for the second wave. So anyway, I managed to pick up the item that I wanted. And also, I also did this one. I went to the atelier as well and picked this up. And it came in, they actually put it in a dust bag. And I got, in fact, I got two of these. And it is, actually, this is a luggage tag that I have in my collection. And I decided to get it hot stamp with the year of the tiger. I'm going to give you a closer look of this beautiful tiger right here. My goodness, the tiger is so cute. Very lovely. I totally love this hot stamp, guys, for this year of the tiger. And then the other one, it is also the same thing, but this one, it is in red color. I have the red, and I also got the green color right here. And which one among these two that you'd like? Oh, both are gorgeous. Both are gorgeous. So anyway, yeah, if you have an old luggage tag, you could bring it there. You could ask them to get a hot stamp with your name. It could be anything though. You just have to ask for their booklets just to see what they have, because it varies from different state, also from different stores as well. But since we have a flagship store right here, I guess they have a lot more like designs. So yeah, I was so excited for that. So anyway, I have already undone the ribbon, and let me reveal what I've got. And it's on this dust bag right here. And wow, I would have never thought that I would be able to get a hands on these, because my essay was telling me that this is a highly sought after pieces. It is, she actually had a lot of inquiries on this one. So anyway, let me show you the Spring in the City collection for 2022. It is a Kirigami Pochette. I hope my camera is actually picking up the exact color. The color, wow, this one is gorgeous. Look at that. The beautiful pastel color is absolutely amazing. So this one, this year, actually, the Spring in the City collection came in with, I think, 3 different colors. So we have the sunrise pastel, the midnight fuchsia, and the sunset khaki. So yeah, those are the 3 lovely colors. So anyway, this is the first one for the Kirigami Pochette right here. I'm going to give you a closer look on this beautiful piece right here. This is the giant monogram. So the large pochette has those giant print monogram right here. I'm going to give you a closer look. on the side as well as right here. Oh my gosh, this one is absolutely amazing. Wow. So this is the first one. The next pochette, it is, what is this right here? Oh, I think that, yeah, this is the product code. Okay, let me open this one for you first. This one has a gold hardware and it has a gold stamping right here. It says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. The inside has this cowhide leather. It is lined with the cowhide leather, and it does seem to look like there is no date code on this anymore, because I remember last year they have a date code for the Kirigami Pochette. So this is how it looks inside. Let me close it. And moving on to the next pochette. This is a medium size, and wow, I think this one is gorgeous. I really do think that this one is gorgeous. It is a midnight fuchsia right there. Wow. So I'm gonna give you a closer look on this beauty right here, so you guys have an idea of how it looks. The gradient color. And let's take a look at the back. It's the other way around, because this one is made up of one piece of canvas. Wow, this one is gorgeous, guys. Right there. Wow, so beautiful. Okay, so let me open this one right here. And this one has this fuchsia interior. It says right there, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France stamping. The inside is this beautiful color right here. And there is no date code as well. Nothing else, nothing like, it is just plain envelope right here. We close it. Right there. Wow. And then the smallest pochette. Wow, this is the sunset khaki right here. I'm gonna give you a closer look on this piece at the back as well. Right here. Right there. Let me open it. Okay, the inside is white. Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France, in a gold stamp right there. This one has a white interior. They gave me a couple of those product information. So this is how it looks inside. Wow. So these are the three colors for the Spring in the City collection. So this is the Kirigami Pochette. I think the this one is priced as $1,000 and 1,020. Yes, 1,020. And let me show you the product. They gave me this information right here. Okay, the product information is the Kirigami. It's M81271. Oh, sorry, I dropped it. And then this one is M46. Oh, this is for the different item. I don't know why it's in there. So this is for a different item. So the product information is M81271 if you're interested in getting this. This one is $1,020. That's before tax. Wow, what do you guys think about those three lovely colors? Which one is your favorite? I think for me, if I were to choose, I love the color combination of this piece right here. And I also love this pastel color because it is so, the color is so soothing in your eye. And I wish this one also has those smaller monogram as well, like this one right here. But if I were to choose, I'd go with this two right here. This two. I think these two are beautiful right here. I mean, the spring in the city this year are absolutely gorgeous. The colorway are striking. And yeah, it is so vivid. I mean, how else I'm going to describe this color, guys? The colors are glowing, radiant, eye-catching colors. It is so lively. It is so energetic. I think the color brings more of like this positive vibes, though. It's scintillating. I mean, name it. I mean, this colors this year are exceptional. As the moment I walk into the store, the ambience, it's like, wow, it is so colorful. It is so alive inside. And I was so happy that I was able to see all of those colorway, the different collection, and this pattern right here. It was beautiful. They're gorgeous. So anyway, if you get a chance to go to the store today and were able to, if you wanted to see it in person, yeah, go for it. I mean, I am happy that I was able to get all this 3 colorway for the Spring in the City collection for 2022. And this Kirigami Pochette, I have several collections of these, and I've tried to make it sure that whenever they release these pieces, I have to have it. It is a limited edition pieces, and yeah, they're a nice collection. They are very functional, such a versatile pieces, and I would definitely recommend it to everybody. I mean, you could use it as a card holder. You could use this pouch. It could fit your passport. It could be anything. You could use this as a cosmetic though. That large one as well as a clutch. But I will be doing another video on how I use this, because all of my Kirigami Pochette has, I switch a insert. So I have an insert on each of my Kirigami Pochettes. Not each, but I switch them from time to time because I wanted to protect the interior. So yeah, so anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching and have a great weekend. Bye.